Welcome to the tutorial on the online registration of the SC certificate. This tutorial will guide you on how to get an SC certificate online. Login. First, we need to log in to SSO's single sign-on page. However, if the user is visiting the SSO page for the first time, he or she has to register themselves by creating a new account. Now, let us log in to the SSO page by entering our login credentials. On successful login, the user will be directed to the list of services under the single sign-on. From the list of services, the user has to select the appropriate service. In this case, we opt for SC certificate. After the user logs in, the user is directed to the user dashboard. This is the SC certificate service dashboard. The side menu consists of a new application where the user can fill up new application for the registration, my application where the user can view the application they have filled, issued certificate digitalization where the user can digitalize their already existing SC certificate generated through offline mode. The applied section consists of the application that are already submitted to the department. The approved section consists of the application that are approved by the department, and the rejected section consists of the application that are rejected by the department. There are some of the guidelines that a user must go through before filling up the form. The guidelines also consist of the documents that are necessary to apply for the ST certificate. All the notifications regarding the application submitted to the department can be found in the application updates. Application form. The user has to click on the new application button on the side menu to start a fresh application fill-up. On clicking the new application button, the user is directed to the application form. As you can see, the application form fill-up procedure is a three-step procedure that includes filling up the applicant details, uploading the required documents, and making the payment. In the application processing location, kindly select the district, issued from, and location code. In the applicant details section, the detail of applicant is required like the salutation, name, gender, and so on. Also, the applicant has to choose relationship with their guardian and whether they are uploading their COI or their parents' COI or SSC number. After that, we move to the present address section where the applicant has to fill their details under the address. In the applicant image and applicant signature, the user needs to upload the photo of their image and signature. The photo and the signature must be in JPEG or PNG format. After the applicant details have been successfully entered, we now move to the second step of the form filling procedure, that is uploading the required documents of ST certificate. Here are some of the instructions regarding the documents that need to be uploaded. In the citizenship proof of self/father, we choose the necessary document that needs to be uploaded. To do so, we click on the Choose File button and select the necessary file. After doing so, we click on Upload button on the right side of the screen. The same process needs to be followed for the rest of the documents below. After the applicant details have been submitted successfully, now move to the Step 3 Payment. The user will be directed to the Preview and Final Submission page where the user can check for any errors in the data that have been submitted. In case of any error, the user can rectify it by pressing the Edit Details. After confirming that the submitted data has no error, the user can now proceed with the payment. To do so, the user needs to click on the Pay and Submit button, after which the user will be redirected again to the payment gateway. The user will have various modes of payment to offer such as card payment and UPI. On a successful payment, the user receives an acknowledgement slip which is a confirmation of a successful payment. The user also has the option to print the slip as a proof of a successful form submission. If we click on Go to My Application button, the status of the application shows Submitted. Now, once the application has been submitted, it may take some time for the application to be verified by the department. The user needs to check the status of the application on a timely basis. Once the application gets verified, the status of the application submitted changes to Approved, And now the user can download certificate by clicking the download certificate button. With this we come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you.